Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a brief review of 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. 94 times 57 is my first example problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So step 1, we multiply the 2 digits in the ones place. So we're going to multiply 4 times 7. And anytime our product is 10 or more, we have to regroup. So 4 times 7 equals 28. Since that product is more than 10, the 8 and 28 is going to go in the ones place. The 2 and 28 is going to get carried over to the tens place. Next, we multiply 9 times 7, and we have to add the 2 that we carried over to our answer. So 9 times 7 equals 63. 63 plus 2 equals 65. So far we have multiplied 94 times 7. Next we have to multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 4 times 5 equals 20. The 0 and 20 goes in the tens place. The 2 and 20 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 9 times 5 equals 45, plus 2 equals 47. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. We have to add together 658 plus 4,700. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 3 carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And we have our final answer. Let me line up the 5 a little better, just so it's a little neater. Legibility does matter. And we have our final answer. Also the comma. 94 times 57 equals 5,358. (94 times 57 equals 5,358). All right, gonna do next example problem here. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please remember to hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm. Next example problem. 29 times 34. 29 times 34. So we're going to start out by multiplying the 2 digits in the ones place. 9 times 4 equals 36. We regroup because our product is more than 10. The 6 and 36 goes in the ones place. The 3 gets carried over to the tens place. 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 3 equals 11. Next, we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. 9 times 3 equals 27. Again, we're regrouping because our product's more than 10. The 7 and 27 goes in the tens place. The 2 and 27 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 2 times 3 equals 6. Plus 2 equals 8. And now we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 7 equals 8. And 1 plus 8 equals 9. And we have our final answer. 29 times 34 equals 986. All right, going to do one more example problem, and then we are going to call it a video. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please remember to hit the like button. It helps the algorithm a lot. All right, 47 times 28. That is our next example problem. All right. Starting in the ones place, 7 times 8 equals 56. 6, carry the 5. 4 times 8 equals 32, plus 5 equals 37. Next, we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since we've already multiplied both numbers in the ones place, we're putting a 0 in the ones place. 7 times 2 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. 4 times 2 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. Next, to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 4 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 3 plus 9 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. And we have our final answer. 47 times 28 equals 1,316. I was going to make this my final problem, but since I have so many people tuning in, or at least I'd say I have enough people tuning in, I'm going to do one more. Going to do one more, and then I'll call it a video. 39 times 23. All right. Shout out to the person that just hit the like button. I appreciate you. So we are starting in the ones place right now. 9 times 3 equals 27. The 7 in 27 goes in the ones place. The 2 gets carried over to the tens place. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. We have to add the 2 that we carried over. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Next, we multiply the top 2 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place here. Since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Nine times 2 equals 18. 8, carry the 1. I'm going to cross out this 2 just so we know we already used it. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. And to get our final answer, we have to add these two numbers together. 117 plus 780, so 7 plus 0 equals 7. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 1 plus 7 equals 8, and we have our final answer. 39 times 23 equals 897. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video, and if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.